Hey, it is Wednesday. That means it's the exercise of the week. My name is Emmanuel Osaseri, your online personal trainer and wellness coach. We're going to be doing wall squats today. So let's get started. I like to put my hands forward, keeping my knee at a 90-degree angle. So my knee is bent at 90 degrees. My thighs, my quads are all bent 90 degrees, and my head is back against the wall. And you just hold. And you hold some more. And you hold some more. All right, now from this angle, as you can see, I'm doing a little shimmy dance, and it's not because I'm really dancing or anything, I just don't have gloss on my wall. But anyways, you wanna make sure, same thing, you wanna make sure that your knees are bent 90 degrees, and you also wanna make sure that there's that space in between your legs that's about shoulder width apart, arms straight ahead, and hold. The benefit to doing this exercise is that you don't need any equipment and that you can do it anywhere. Basically, all you need is a wall and your body. In the description box, I've gone ahead and also listed a whole bunch of other benefits that you may find interesting, as well as a 10-day challenge. That's right, a 10-day wall sit challenge. If you find the wall challenge not being challenging enough for you, you can simply enhance it by either lifting up a leg or placing a weight on your lap. And as usual, I had a blast making this video for you. Don't forget to hit like, leave a comment, of course, tap that subscribe button, and let's do this again sometime.